In this video, we are going to go over the power of the right-click in BioLuminate and how to add and remove surfaces. Before we start, open your BioLuminate intro project and include one N8Z prepared. This should be in row 1 of your entry list. Also switch to using the residue selection scope. Anytime you would like to modify or take a closer look at something in the workspace, try right-clicking it. While you can modify a ribbon using the Style toolbox, you can also do it by right-clicking the ribbon in the workspace. Make sure that your cursor has a ribbon icon next to it before right-clicking. Click in the blank workspace to close the dialog. You can even right-click the workspace itself. Pause the video and take a moment to right-click on a few more things to see what you can do. Let's now move on to learning how to split the structures into different entries. Instead of a single entry, we will have one entry with the heavy chain of the antibody, one with the light chain, and one with HER2. This will allow you to look at and analyze each of the chains individually. In the entry list, right-click on the one N8Z prepared entry. Just like when we right-clicked on the ribbon in the workspace, options to interact with the entry appear. Choose Split, and then by chain. When we do that, the original entry is preserved, and a new group is created with 3 entries, one with each chain. This allows us to easily interact with one part of the whole PDB structure at a time. Notice that the 3D coordinates of the atoms in each of the entries are equivalent to what they were in the original entry. Now let's transition to surfaces. First, include just the top entry from the new group in the entry list, the antibody light chain. Open the Style toolbox again and click the surfaces icon on the bottom right. A surface has been added to the workspace, and a blue S icon has been added next to the corresponding entry in the entry list. That S is a visual cue that there is a surface associated with a structure. If we click the S, we can easily toggle off or on the quick molecular surface, or click Manage. This menu allows you to toggle different surfaces and even compare their areas. If you then click Display Options, you can adjust the style, transparency, and color of the surface. Let's leave the style as is. Set the transparency to 30%. For the color scheme, choose Electrostatic Potential. Please note that it is only possible to color by electrostatic potential when working with a structure that has already been prepared with the protein preparation workflow. You can see the legend for electrostatic potential on the bottom of the workspace and toggle the legend off here. Let's close the Surface Display options and the Manage Surfaces panel. Click the S one more time and select Quick Molecular Surface to toggle off the surface. This does not delete the surface, it just undisplays it in the workspace. You should now be familiar with using right-click to access further options for interacting with an object, and both adding and editing surfaces in BioLuminate.